So here's the camshaft puller, which is a simple but a very effective tool. If you don't have it, this could become arbitrarily hard. But what it has is it's a piece of cast iron with a central screw. You put the claws into the sprocket, center your the pushing pin, the screw, so that it's on the bolt. Tighten this guy, and now what it'll do is, so I guess the reason they say to unscrew it for 5 turns is so that there's space for you to pull on it. So when I'm going to tighten this, that should just pop out. And I think this may be 15 millimeters as well, or not. Somewhat larger, perhaps 17. Yep. So I'm going to tighten this guy, and it should just pop loose. There it does. There it goes. Pop loose somewhat more violently than I thought, but there it is. I'm going to do the other side. Line her up. So I think this camshaft sprocket tool is meant for many different sizes, because I see that the claws, there is a one-pronged claw as well in there. So I assume that some of these wheels have odd numbers, even odd numbers of holes in the wheel. So that's So there you go. I'm not sure that's loose. Is it? No. Didn't get that in. No. Nice.